Hi everyone. So in this video we'll talk about a couple of new math methods in ES6. The first method is math.sign, which will return a value 0, 1 or -1 depending upon the number which you are passing. Let's see an example of it. So if I'll pass 0 here, I'll get 0. In case if I'm passing -1 or just make it 10, I'll get -1 because it's a negative number. If I'm passing around 100, which is a positive number, I'll get 1. If I'll pass none, which is not a number, I'll get none in return. So if you want to identify a number is negative, positive, 0 or none, you can make use of math.sign. So the next method is math.trunc method, which is used whenever you want to remove the decimal part from a decimal number. In the past, we used to do like this. We make use of ceil method to get the uppermost. In this case, if I'll make it 100.05, I'll get 101. Okay. If I'll make it floor, I'll get 100. But in case if I want to get rid of this decimal part and want to keep this part only, I can simply make use of trunc method here. Save it and you'll get the same output. The next method is math.cbrt, which is used to get a cube root of a number. So it will be math.cbrt for the cube root. So you can simply put here 27, save it, this will be output. In case you want to make a square root, simply make use of SQ here instead of CB, and just for the change make it 81, save it, and this is the output. In case you want to get a log 10 or log 2 of a number, you can also make use of math.log2 and math.log10. So in this case, simply make use of log 10 here and put 100, and this will be output. For the log 2, you can make it log 2 and this will be output. So these are the couple of methods which you may or may not find useful in the ES6. There's a huge list of these methods. You can simply Google for it, ES6 new math methods, and you will get the entire list. I hope you got the point, how they actually work. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.